Hello, this is Will with RCBS, and today I will be showing you how to set up the Summit reloading press to ensure you're able to get the most accuracy possible out of your hand loads. The Summit single-stage press was designed from the ground up to deliver exceptional, accurate, precise hand loads. Once you have your Summit press unboxed, it is time to mount it to a sturdy workbench or table. We recommend using 3/8" bolts of sufficient length to penetrate both the press base and your work surface. You can also use our optional accessory base plate 3, which is sold separately, that has mounting holes to work with most of your favorite RCBS reloading products. Once the Summit press is securely mounted to your work surface, attach the threaded portion of the handle to either the right or left-handed side of the toggle block. Then use a 9/16" open-ended wrench to tighten it on the flats. Be sure the handle contacts the counter bore in the toggle block and is tightened appropriately. The handle must remain tight at all times to avoid damage to both the handle and toggle block. We do offer an optional short handle, which reduces the amount of mechanical advantage the press offers, but is an amazing addition if you're seating a lot of bullets. Next, install the two 6/32 by 3/8" button head cap screws on the front of the base and leave approximately 1/16 inch. Then install the primer catcher over the heads of the screws. The cool thing with the primer catcher is that it can be orientated in two ways depending on where you have the press mounted on your bench. Next, install the appropriate shell holder. The Summit accepts removable shell holders. Just insert the shell holder and give it a slight twist to the left. To remove, just give it a slight twist to the right. After the shell holder is installed, install your reloading dies. Insert the die into the bushing on top of the die plate, then lower the handle. This is going to lower the die plate to the shell holder. Thread the die down until it touches the shell holder. Be sure all play is removed from the linkage system. To do this, raise the handle to the top of the stroke. Thread your die 1/8 to 1¼ inch turn further down so the press cams over center. You then set the die lock ring and you're ready to size. The Summit press may need additional turns of the die to eliminate all tolerance play that is in the linkage system. The same steps should be taken when installing an expander body or seat die. The only difference is there should be 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch gap between the die and the shell holder. When you're ready to seat bullets, the Summit excels and is a great press for this task. Right from the beginning, you will see the open frame design gives accessibility like no other press in our line. The optional short handle and ability to tighten the linkage can reduce the press stroke, aiding in seating. If you want to tighten the linkage, insert a 3/16" hex key into the broached end of the toggle pin. Use your 9/16" wrench and slightly turn the nylock nut on the toggle pin from back to front. Tighten this just enough to allow the handle to stop where desired in the stroke. This will drastically shorten the throw to enhance your bullet seating experience. The Summit was lubricated at the factory. However, if you ever need to lubricate the moving parts, be sure to use a high-quality gun oil like Hoppy's Black Precision Gun Oil. There is also a Zerk fitting on the die plate so you can lubricate the die plate and RAM interface. If you have some surface rust, swipe lightly with gun oil and wipe dry. Make sure you do not apply oil where it will come in contact with primers or primer pockets, as the oil can deactivate primers. Now that you know how to set up and use the Summit press, you're ready to start loading match-grade ammunition that'll give you the edge you're looking for. With the features we packed in the Summit press, we are confident it will become one of your favorite reloading presses of all time. To find out more information on our RCBS Summit press, visit us online at rcbs.com.